mind, Broco Rankin is special because of its people, its products, and its customers. And if you talk about the people, we have very skilled people in our fields of expertise, which includes anything from breaching and rescue products all the way to very high-tech alloys. So we have such a wide range of products, and in each of those areas we have people that are very passionate about each of those products and passionate about helping the customers. So our product lines are, as we said, are very varied. It's really a combination of several companies that have come together. We often would describe as a joining of strengths, a little play on words for the welding industry. Basically, we are a combination of 5 different companies that have been put together over several years that are complementary in markets and locations and expertise and people, and they work very well together. So, for example, we have customers all over the world. So we sell in approximately 50 countries, and our employees that are supporting these customers often travel to many parts around the world. We have employees that have been to over 30 countries during the course of their career with the company. And each of those customers brings a unique culture and perspective that we find very interesting, and we're just thrilled to be able to help customers all around the world with our products. We're a niche product company, which means our products are very specialized. They have unique applications for different industries and different needs of our customers. And we tailor our products to make sure that they are 100% meeting the needs of our customers.